Artoonza.
In today's easy tutorial, we'll learn how to draw a color palette and brush. Drawing time, let's have a lot of fun together. Give us a big thumbs up. No. I'm not telling, but it's totally worth the wait. Ready to splash some color? Let's color together. Brown. Snow White.
Aw, so cute.
Mix it up, mix it up. Wow, now we get a sandy beige.
Wow!
Give us your like. Red. Brown again. Color, color, color. Black. Pink. Yellow. Orange. Green. Smash that like button now. Purple? Shoo, go away. Blue. Color, color, color.
Aw, so cute.
Glitter time. Let's make it shine. Hit that like button now. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.